Hello everyone, it is Not Just for Boys Kit Club Premium Kit Reveal Day. I don't know, it's Kit Reveal Day. So the premium kit this month is called Electric. Ooh, very cool. So I did unpackage it because I wanted to look at all the goodies and I couldn't wait, and that's full disclosure. So I have the ever so cool twine, which is like a silvery blue. It's definitely light blue, but it's got a silver tone to it. Keep this. You will use it as well as the tissue paper. It's fun for layering. Now, I get the Cardstock Add-On and I get the second paper kit. So I will try, hopefully I have it going the right way, to show you bit by bit what's in the kit. So our first one, let's start with paper and then I'll show you all the goodies. All right, so the first one is Maggie Holmes Garden Party. And this has like a few different tones, 2 tones of mustard color, as well as this color that's in here is this really kind of like a blush pink. And it's flowers and flowers all shoved in together. So that's our first one. And then our next one, really cool color. I told you it was garden. Oh, and it's called Cluster of Blooms. I didn't tell you that. And the back side is this really gorgeous tone. It's like the world's most saturated sea foam, or it's like park bench green with just a little tiny bit of blue in it. So very dramatic contrast between the two. Now my next one, my next paper is by Ella and Viv, and it's Oxidation. And it is single-sided, so I can show you them both at the same time. See, the other side is just white. So it's Oxidation. We've got these really nice blues on the top, and the bottom gets kind of like mucky coolness to it. So I'm going to use the white as the other one. The next one I have, and now my papers are getting all mixed up. Hold on. Where is this cool paper? Okay, the next one I have is Jen Hadfield Patio Party, and it's just this really nice, easy on the eyes aqua color. Very cool. And the back side is, I hope you can see it on the camera, it's a very dark charcoal, like tone on tone floral with a cute little branding strip with a little pizzazz on it. And then, let's see. This one's very cool. This is Reminisce, and this is my favorite paper in the collection. It is from Dreamcatcher, and it's called Follow Your Arrows. And I kind of like stripes going this way, so I will show it to you this way to start. I mean, it's textured and scuffy and all of these gorgeous tones, right? But wait, there's more. The back side has periwinkle and aqua and imperfect etchings, and it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So next I have this one. It is Amy Tangerine Slice of Life. Oops, these are in the way. They're in the way. This is Slice of Life, and it's called Bamboo Blues. So I guess those are bamboo leaves, and it's tone on tone navy, and it is so cool. I have not seen that, and I like it ever so much. Next, the back side is so cute. They're all kinds of itty bitty little hearts in navy, like a light aqua baby blue, and a daffodil yellow. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. Okay, next, let's grab this one. It is from Bo Bunny, Back to Basics Summer Mood. And does it have a name? Oh, it's called Mood Spontaneous. So this is such a great background. It is, you know, absolutely like tone on tone, all kinds of blues, but it's gorgeous. Yeah, that's a good background for somebody like me. All right, so next, all right, let's see this one. The back side. Okay, I thought this was so cool, guys. It's like dark charcoal, but you have the citrus slices, but they're not in like citrus colors. It's super cool. Look at this palette. Just look at it. Look at it. Pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, 2 more. This one is Paige Evans Wonders Collection, and I think it's called number 14. Yes, I guess it's called 14 Wonders. So this is the kind that seriously, I would need to use it as the full piece for the pizzazz of it. Like if you wanted to get this whole mandala tile thing, or I mean, you can cut the pieces and all of that, but that is cool. And I like it. It's this great little bit subdued lemon yellow. Very cool. And the backside it's just cute. This is like a pale celery with the sweetest tiny little flowers all over it. I do love me some greens. And now finally, are they going like that? You know what? They are not going like that. My camera is going like that. There we go. All right, and then finally we have Maggie Holmes Garden Party, and this is called Country Arbor. So this is like a really nice saturated mustard with a tinge of green in it. It's super cool. And it's repeating pattern, looks like really kind of like old school wallpaper to me. Now, the last paper, now guys, look at this. So it's that, you know, the Maggie Holmes crepe paper off-white. And we have a really nice pale pink, but it's like all of these different grids. So it's like a cool, like, it's like a cut apart that you can use as a whole background, if that makes sense. So I was looking at it, like you can do all kinds of journaling in different bits. It's a very interesting paper, and I'm excited to see how I want to use it because I don't know. Then I have the Cardstock Add-On. And let me see, there's 4 pieces. They're all textured cardstock, which is cool because I do have a thing for texture. I like lumpy, bumpy stuff. So this one is called Water. It's the perfect baby blue. It looks so great with that oxidation. The next one is called Blue Calypso, bringing in this really great teal. This is gorgeous. It's called Sunbeam. And then this one is called Beeswax. So it's super saturated. So they are a gorgeous, gorgeous mix. I'm going to keep it there. Let me show you next the Alpha because it is awesome. This is the new set from the new collection by Jen Hadfield. They are thickers and they're puffy letter stickers in navy. And I have really small hands, so hopefully that can show you how little and cute those letter stickers are. Now they're that navy that's actually like Nike came out with a color. I think it was called Obsidian. That's almost like a black navy. So they are as dark of a navy as you can get. They are super cool. And I did count. There was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 E's. So you can be writing down the big old titles on those. Awesome. All right, so our cut file is this gorgeous set of 3 frames on an arrow. Isn't that cute? I'm excited about it. And I always love getting this, you know, seeing what the cardstock color is that comes with it because I like to use them. I do. Let's see, what's next? Okay, I have these in a baggie. There's a couple different explanations. They are like cut out cute little paper airplanes. And I am rubbish at making them properly. But there's little score lines in them to make cute little paper airplanes in different colors from the collection, right? And then I'll show you the next bits in a second because it'll make more sense if I show you with the stamp. All right, so this is a stamp, and you know how I like the no waste packaging, the bee's knees. So it's a square, right, with a little cutout there. So what you do is you can do like girl dad or boy dad. So, and you would write that sentiment, well, you would stamp it right in there. And then these cute little bits that you see, you put them right in the center. How cute is that? And then I have a couple pieces in here that I think will be fun to try out. So I can stamp right on top of that piece. And then I also have these little bits that say like mom and dad. Well, they don't say that at all. I can stamp mom and dad right on them and be good to go. So super fun stuff for me to try out with them. I need to get my little iris container boxes out, like the ones for the photos, not the baggy thing. Alrighty, let's see what we have next. This super cool piece is our acrylic piece. So we have a light bulb and it's kind of nifty. And you guys know my whole packaging. So look at this. It's like a matte finish. It's very, very cool. So we have that. Now, the stamp set is so cool. You have this stamp set that goes like this, and then you put like girl dad or boy mom in the circle, and then you use these cute little bits that are right here to put right in that little notch. So that's super cool. Little directional things. See the cute little light bulb, a geotag. So super usable. And look at the paper airplane. Now, I did talk to you about these for a little bit, but these are, we had these in a previous kit, but just not in these colors. But these are these little pieces, and there's already score lines to go ahead and make little paper airplanes with. So those are super cute. A little something to do. And then let's see. Oh, we have this. This is by Freckled Fawn, and it's chipboard. So they're black and white, like a nice true white with super pale aqua pieces. And I mean, they're usable for all kinds of different situations. We have These Are the Days, All the Good Things. This is Our Happy Place. Cute little camera. And there's chipboard stickers. So that's awesome. So the two Freckled Fawn things are super, super cool. And then finally, look at this. This is so incredibly cool. So it's a little booklet. Don't know how many pieces are in it, but it's really thick. And inside there's all of these stamps, and they're on vellum. And there's tons and tons. So I've seen butterflies and things. Look at the cute little mushroom, and I've seen pyramids of Giza. Yeah, just every kind of little vellum bit. And then there's some blanks on the back as well, which are super cool. Can probably stamp on vellum with some stays on or something with that. So that is this kit. Now the next one I'm going to bring to the next video is going to be the Marvelous Deluxe Theme Kit. So stay tuned for that. And then I have one video after that, which will be the one for all of my a la carte goodies, as well as the page kit by Merity. So stay tuned for that. Oh, and down below, I will have our Facebook community group link, and I will have our blog and our website. Okay, that's it for now. Bye-bye, friends.